This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials. On your Surface Pro, open Settings and check for Windows updates so Miracast support is current. Once done, put the TV into its wireless display or screen mirroring input. Many smart TVs label this Miracast, screen share, or wireless display. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi SSID because direct discovery occurs over the local network. Now, on the Surface, press Windows key plus K or Open Connect to begin scanning for available. You'll choose the TV from the list and select how you want content shown. Once the TV appears, click it to request a connection. The TV may prompt you to accept promptly. After pairing, pick Duplicate if you want the same screen on both devices, or extend to use the TV as a second monitor. Make sure to set the resolution and scaling on the Surface so text fits. Lower resolution often improves performance. If audio doesn't switch, change the output device in sound settings to the TV. You'll finish by testing audio and video playback. Play a short clip and confirm sound comes from the TV. If you notice lag or stuttering, reduce the Surface resolution, close background apps, and move the devices nearer to the router to improve Wi-Fi signal. If the TV does not appear at all, restart the Surface and the TV and retry discovery. Power cycling clears many network hiccups. As a last step, update wireless drivers on the Surface and check the TV firmware if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.